Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a really fun unboxing in honor of the Beetlejuice movie. This package is from our friends over at Bullsitoy, and I'd like to say thank you to Bullseye Toys for sending this to us. They are one of my favorite brands for our mystery unboxings, and I cannot wait to see what they have in store. So let's get into it. All right, let's grab one of these from our pile, and I'm gonna try and box as many as I can. So if I don't get through all of them here, hopefully we don't get any doubles. Always check back for my YouTube shorts, and you can see if I end up completing my collection. I usually find most of the Bullseye toy collectibles over at Target, and that's where I always have good luck finding anything from Bullseye. I'm sure they're sold in other places like Five Below or other major retailers, but definitely look at Target. Let's go ahead and take a look at the box. Sorry if my light's glaring. They say Beetlejuice on the front, and it looks like I see a Lydia, Beetlejuice, and the shrunken head guy. And it says collect all 8. So right here we've got Astrid, and we've got Beetlejuice, we've got the sandworm, and somebody named Dolores. And so I'm not familiar with any new characters in this movie, only the OG one. Okay, and we've got Lydia and Beetlejuice in their wedding attire. And then we've got another Beetlejuice outfit, Spill Your Guts Beetlejuice, and we've got the shrunken head. So there's only 8. So this should be fairly easy to complete a collection. Let's get right into it. And I'm gonna start with the first one. So let's see what we have here. Let's see who, this is gonna be our very first one. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, are you guys ready? Why did I think it was gonna be clear and be revealed? This is really good for a mystery toy because they're keeping it a mystery until you open it. Okay, this is for reals. I haven't seen it, and let's go. Okay, so it's Astrid, which I'm assuming, once again, Jenna Ortega. You guys let me know. I will see this very soon, but I haven't seen it yet. Okay, so she's got the cool little hair. She's in her school uniform. These are all plushy, and it's got a clip on it. These are danglies, so you can put them on your backpack, your purse. You can have multiple use for these. She's actually really cute. So I'm excited. This is my first one. All right, let's move on to the next one. Who is it gonna be? Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. And that's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna say it again. I've probably said it already 3 times. All right, let's see. You know which ones I want? I want the ones in the wedding attire. I love those outfits from the original. Okay, we've got another black bag. Oh wait, this one I don't have to rip open. They're actually open at the bottom, so you could just slide them right out. Are you ready, guys? We have Dolores. And again, because I haven't seen the movie, gosh, I don't know who Dolores is, but I will certainly find out. She is wearing a black dress with some black gloves. What's her story, guys? Please. I don't know. No spoilers in the comments. I'll find out. She's not very happy, and I don't know what in the Harry Potter is going on right here. She's also got that little anime sparkle in her eyes. I like her hair and her dress and some shoes. These are soft, really soft and plushy. And it's got a little black dangling clip. And again, you can accessorize things with these, put them on your backpack, your purse, hang them up in your room, wherever. Super cute. Open another one. Okay, I'm not good. These boxes are like, okay. That's weird. The other one was open. This is not open. Look. Rip into this, and I'm gonna drop it. Are we ready? Beetlejuice in his wedding tuxedo. So cool. Oh, he's got a little bow tie and his crazy green hair. There's like a little flat piece right here, and then his hairdo. I'm sure all will be revealed once I see the movie. This will all make sense to me. I'm assuming he's gonna try and get Lydia to marry him again. Like I said, no spoilers in the comments, guys. Let's go for another one. I don't know if I showed you guys the box. It says Beetlejuice twice, and it says Plush danglers. And then, of course, from our friends at Bullsitoy, and this is a Warner Brothers film. All right, so let's tear into this bag. Ready, guys? We're gonna go ahead and drop this. Oh, another Beetlejuice. And this is a different outfit. Okay, so we're in a suit. The brown jacket, pink shirt, and a bow tie. What's he got going on here? Okay, there's his face. Let's see, is his face the same? Oh, okay, look. So he still has this green spot, but his tongue is sticking out in this one. So hair is the same. He's got ears, different color suit. Two Beetlejuice, Astrid and Dolores. I want Lydia in her wedding dress, in the red dress, and I also want the shrunken head. We've got 4 non-duplicates, so that's awesome. Are you ready? Here we go again. Lydia, yay! She's wearing her red wedding dress. So this is my first one with Winona Ryder. Okay, so this is the only one of Winona Ryder in this, her only outfit. I love their, it's like a felt material. It's very soft. They're spot on with her hairdo. I'm obsessed with that twinkle in their eyes. Her dress is cute. We've got the red clip. Am I assuming that there's gonna be another wedding scene in this new movie like in the original? I don't wanna compare, and that's also why I haven't seen it yet. Okay, so we've got 5 non-doubles. Let's do another one. I have more in the box. I didn't take them out. So I'm probably gonna keep going until I get a double, as always. And if I do, I'll be doing some unboxings on YouTube Shorts. Wow, we have no doubles so far. That's amazing. So this is a shrunken head. So his name is Bob. I don't think I ever knew his name. He's got a suit on, a yellow suit. He's got a little tiny like buzz cut or something. Little hairdo, suit and tie, and a yellow clip. Okay, so we have 6. There are 8 to collect. I'm gonna see how many more I can grab out of there. This is the first time that I don't have doubles, which is great. And I pulled out a couple more so we can see who we're getting here. This is amazing, guys. This is really a first for me. We've got Beetlejuice in his OG striped outfit. The man, the myth, the legend. Ooh, he's got a cheeky little grin on his face. Otherwise, everything else is the same. Here's his clip. He's got a blue clip. He's got a striped suit on. Very cool. We'll put him here with the rest of his alter egos. All right, guys, moment of truth. Oh, well, we have Dolores again, and I was hoping for the sandworm. I really want that one to complete my collection, and of course, it's iconic and it's so cool. So tune into my shorts. I'm gonna open the rest on shorts, and I'll probably add these to a playlist or something, and you guys can see if I've completed my collection. I really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you, Bullseye Toys, and thank you guys for coming back. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm back, you guys, after summer break, and we will have more unboxings. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.